Which ones are we gonna try, girls? The girls are eager. I'm guessing the ice cream sandwich, no?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I want to try the mango.
Oh, the mangoes.
I
Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to unpack with you the sample pack I received from Harvest Right. So this is freeze-dried food. I have a Harvest Right freeze dryer. I love it. In my opinion, it's one of the best way to preserve food, in particular fruits and vegetables, given it keeps the vitamins, minerals from these fruits and veggies. Sometimes it changes the texture, but when you mix it up later, it's perfect for cooking. Tomatoes, I'm thinking, or just snacking, you know, these crunchy apples, freeze-dried, excellent for snacking. But here it is a sample that we're offering for free. So I just had to pay for the shipping fees. So it was like $7. And I got 5 of them that I'm actually very interested in trying. One of them being the ice cream sandwich bites. That's something I have tried and I failed freeze drying. So obviously, if they do it, I did something wrong, but I want to try to see how good it tastes. So let's open this up together here. If you're interested, I will have a link in the description below for the freeze dryer. It's an affiliate link. You can also buy it at Costco. Right now, they have the small one actually discounted at Costco, which makes it a great deal, but it's only small. Here I have the medium, which I would recommend getting at least medium, because otherwise you run it, but there's not that much that produces, you know. But depending on the size of your family, you might actually need a large or extra large. You've got different sizes. But yes, so here is the pack with my little sampler. So what do I have here? Wow, mango smoothie bites. I love mangoes. I have a little girl that loves mangoes too. And we love to have smoothies. So that's definitely a nice one. So it's not too big. I mean, it's a good one to take on the road as a snack. It's just the perfect size. We have the bananas. That's a big classic, but freeze-dried banana, also an amazing snack on the go. Just remember, if you eat freeze-dried food, you need to drink, because this is all dehydrated, and if you eat too much, it can actually hurt your stomach if you don't drink. So make sure you drink plenty. That's what I want to try. The ice cream sandwich bites. Vanilla ice cream with chocolate flavored cookie. And it's got a little thing, learn how to freeze dry at home. I probably need to learn how to do that one. The other two I've done. I freeze dried banana, freeze dried mangoes, delicious. Pineapple, that's also something I have tried at home. It turns out really nice, but it takes a long time to freeze dry. That's the only thing. You really have to slice it thin and spread it out so that it doesn't take as long, but it can take a while to freeze dry, just like the mangoes. Bananas are pretty fast. Last one is very interesting because it's a prepared dish. They have chicken Alfredo. That's interesting. White chicken meat, pasta shell with spinach and Alfredo sauce. Yes, not bad. That's so how do you use it? What's the instruction here on freeze drying? So you open the pouch, yes. Remove the oxygen absorber, yes. As you can see, it's all no air inside. Oxygen absorber. Pour content into a bowl with a half cup of boiling water. Stir well, cover, and let stand for 10 minutes. Remove lid, stir again, and enjoy. That's it. That's amazing. You take it on a camping trip. You just need to boil water, rehydrate it, and ready to go. Extremely interesting. So that little serving has 260 calories, including 15 grams of protein. So that's actually pretty good compared to other leading brand for freeze-dried food. It doesn't have as much nutrients as Nutrient Survival, which is probably the best of the best here for survival food. But other than that, it's completely pretty nice one. 15 grams protein. I'm impressed. It has some calcium as well, but not bad. And if we look at the rest, so here my mangoes doesn't contain too much in terms of vitamins, that one. Same for the bananas and pineapples. Vitamins, not too much. It's mostly carbohydrate, what you would expect, and quite a good amount of fiber on that one. So that's not bad for the fiber content. But yeah, I'm excited to try them all. Of course, the one that has probably the most calories and nothing too good is the ice cream, but we all know it's a sweet. But yes, if you want to get vitamins, minerals, I can only recommend to get it from Nutrient Survival here. That add a lot. It's really military grade survival food here. But here for a snack, it's actually really nice, well packaged. So thank you, Harvest Right. Something easy to do at home. So get your freeze dryer. I think that's really the message here, and try it for you. Another one they don't offer here, but we love at home, is strawberries. You can freeze dry strawberries and they are delicious. The girls love that as a snack. Raspberries are extremely good as well, but it takes longer to freeze dry. So if you want something a bit quicker to process, apple, banana, strawberries, you can blend them in little packages like this, and it's a great snack on the go. You just open it up and eat. So thank you, Harvest Right. Check out their website if you're interested for a freeze dryer. Highly recommend getting your own food and store for long-term food storage. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Which ones are we gonna try, girls? The girls are eager. I'm guessing the ice cream sandwich now.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I want to try the mango.
Oh, the mangoes.
I don't have ice cream, but whatever.
You want the ice cream sandwich now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with the ice cream sandwich because that's really the one I failed doing at home. So let's see how that one tastes. Ice cream sandwich. All right.
The smell just
It doesn't smell like much.
It smells like those bluebell.
Oh, like bluebell? Okay, let's. They're not even gonna show you, huh? Okay. You took like the best one, huh? Okay, that one is broken. So of course it doesn't always keep like, oops. So that, oops, your little ice cream sandwich. So
Not bad.
Not bad. Let me try one piece. Crispy. It's like eating a cookie.
It's like a very crunchy ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, like very crunchy. It's like a cookie. Actually, yeah, I like it. It's very, very crunchy. Yeah, get water because you can feel you need to drink because it's gonna dehydrate you.
I'm drinking kombucha.
On that one. Okay, kombucha if you want. But you have pretty.
One more.
One more. One more.
Cookie.
Okay, the cookie. It's good now. Let me just eat the inside, which is the ice cream here, because that one was broken.
That's
so
my favorite part.
That's your favorite part, the ice cream? It's lighter than the cookie. It's not as crunchy. The crunchy part is really the cookie. Well, I don't think that's gonna last long. But that is also something, once it's open, either you reseal it or you have to eat it pretty quickly because it's gonna rehydrate with the moisture in the air. Here it's extremely humid in Texas, so better to unfortunately eat it right away. I know I have 2 volunteers here.
I just have one more piece of that.
Just one more.
I have one more.
One more.
One more. 'Cause I have to go back
I'm
to
glad
what
it's
I
4
was
o'clock
doing.
snack right now.
I have to go back to what I was doing.
Yeah. You just have to go back here. Yeah. It's very easy to eat. So great little snacks. Thank you, Harvest Right. Actually, I managed to get the rest of the pack safe. So to keep it, I'm gonna reseal it. That's the only way. It still has an oxygen absorber. We just opened it for 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna reseal it and keep it. Anyway, it's gonna be sometime this week. We won't keep that one too long, but really good. So how to reseal it? Very easy. I have this here that came with my freeze dryer. So I just have to put this, and let me lower you and show you. that's pretty much it. You close it here, press on it. As you can see here, just add water. Best way to preserve pretty much any leftover, you put in the freeze dryer and you preserve long-term food storage. You don't have to eat it the next day, 2 days later. No, you can keep it for a year, 2 years. Just put your oxygen absorber in the bag and it's good to go for long term. And you can use this for emergency prep, camping trips, whatever you need. And there is so much you can freeze dry. Besides the vegetables, the fruits, herbs, spices, full meal, as you can see here with the chicken Alfredo, meats, eggs, dairy. I freeze dry some omelets, cooked eggs. Perfect. Long-term storage here.